Hello, my dear boys. Good morning. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome all of you to my physics online class. Okay, so we are discussing on chapter 8 and the name of this chapter is reflection of light. Okay, and we are discussing some sample creative question and solution, and also today we will also solve a creative question. Okay, so let's see today's creative question. So our sample creative question is radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 15 centimeter and magnification is 2 times. Okay, so I'm repeat it again. The stem radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 15 centimeters and magnification is 2 times. Okay, so here we have given the radius of curvature r equal to 15 centimeter and magnification m equal to 2. Okay, so our questions are: question number A, what is image? Question number B, why rays incident normally on the mirror returns back along the same path? Okay, and question number C, calculate the image distance. And question number D, why the given mirror is used by dentist analyze with ray diagram. Okay, so this is our today's sample creative question. Okay, now we will try to calculate this creative question step by step. So our question number A is, what is image? Okay, so the answer is, if a beam of rays after being reflected from or reflected through a surface either meet at, okay, either meet at for concave mirror or appears to diverge from a second point, okay, for convex mirror. Okay, so diverge from a second point. The second point is called the image of the first point. Okay, so this is the answer for question number A. Okay, I am repeating again. What is image or what is called image? The answer is, if a beam of rays after being reflected from or reflected through a surface either meet at or appears to diverge from a second point. Okay, the second point is called the image of the first point. Okay, our question number B is, why rays incident normally on the mirror returns back along the same path? Explain it. So the explanation is, from the law of reflection, we know that the reflected angle is equal to the incident angle. Okay, so normally incident rays create an incident angle of 0 degree with the normal. So the reflected angle will also be 0. As a result, normally incident rays return back along the same path. Now, the question number C. Okay. So here we need to calculate the distance of the image. Okay. So from our stem we can get the radius of curvature r equal to 15 centimeter and magnification m, magnification is denoted by m. Okay. So m equal to 2, and here we need to determine the distance of the image v equal to what. Okay. So we know f equal to, here f is the focal length. Okay, focal length of the mirror. F equal to, we know that f equal to r by 2. So here 15 by 2 equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is our focal length, and now we also given m equal to 2. Again we know m equal to u by v by u. Here u is the distance of the object. Okay. So now we can write to, here we use to modulus sign. Okay. So 2 equal to v by u, or we can write v equal to 2u. Okay. So here we get the value of f and equation between v and u, or the relation between the distance of the image and the distance of the object. Okay. Now again we know the general equation of mirror. Okay. So 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to, or here we can also write u equal to v by 2. Okay. So here 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So putting the value of this parameter, here f is 7.5 and here we need to determine v. So here we will put the value of u. Okay. And here you see that the value of u equal to v by 2. Okay. So 1 by v plus 1 by v by 2 equal to 1 by 7.5. Again we can write 1 by v plus 2 by v equal to 1 by 7.5, or here the LCM is v, so 2 1 plus 2 equal to 1 by 7.5. Okay. And finally we get the v equal to 22.5 centimeters. Okay. So we can write, therefore we can write the image distance is 22.5 centimeters. Okay, so this is the solution for question number C. Now the solution for question number D. Here the question is, why the given mirror is used by dentist analyze with ray diagram. Okay, so here in the stem we have given a concave mirror. We used concave mirror because by using this mirror, only by using this mirror we can get image bigger than the object. Okay, so for this preference, or for this condition, or for this uses, dentist can use this concave mirror. Okay, so from analysis ray diagram we get two position for bigger image, the bigger image size. Okay, and the position is number one in our ray diagram analysis for last two position. Okay, for last two position, position number 5 and position number 6. Okay, number 5 and number 6 ray diagram, we had get bigger image than object. Okay, for these two position dentist are used concave mirror. Okay, so we will discuss this question for this two position. Okay, so number one position is, so number one analysis, you see a ray diagram in the board and you should practice or draw it by using pencil, scale and accurate measurement. Okay, so here the analysis is, after the reflection of ray parallel to the main axis from X, it goes through F and X, and another ray goes through the center of curvature. Okay, since the rays are divergent, so they seem like as if they are coming from P prime, X prime. Okay, they are coming from X prime. So X prime is the virtual reflection of X. The X prime Y prime perpendicular drawn from X prime over the main axis is the virtual reflection of X Y object. Okay, so here if X Y is our object, then we get that X prime Y prime is our image, and from the figure you see that the image is bigger than the object. For and this, in this case we get a virtual and erect image of the object. Okay, so here we get a bigger image. So dentist usually used this mirror. Okay, and we can explain it in another position or another ray diagram. And here this is the another cause why the dentist use concave mirror. Okay, when the object is situated between center of curvature and focus point. Okay, so here xy is our object which is situated between center of curvature and focus point. Okay, and from according to the ray diagram you see that two reflected ray here, AD and BE is our two reflected ray. Okay, so these two reflected ray AD and BE, these two reflected ray meet at a point x prime. Okay, so x prime will be a real image of x. Okay, here why it is called real? Because the object and the image is situated in the same side of the mirror. Okay, so here if we draw a perpendicular to main axis, here x prime y prime will be the real image of the object x y. Okay, so here you see that the image is much bigger than the object. So because of this bigger image, dentists are usually used a concave mirror. Okay, so this is our two analysis with ray diagram. Okay, so boys, this is all for today. Okay, and in our next lecture we will start our next chapter. Okay, and the next chapter is refraction of light, which is our chapter 9. Okay, so until then, thank you boys.